Try this one, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, available now in Lazada. Free shipping, and this is an original Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you are interested to buy this item, just click the link on the description box. Buy 25,000 and get free shipping for other products. But here in Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is a free shipping. You can buy this in the amount of 68,690 pesos. That's love. You can choose other colors. Very nice. So let's go for the reviews and the description. You can choose have a 4 color. Standard delivery is 5 to 19 days. Free shipping. Basahin natin ang ratings and reviews. Super ganda, di kayo magsisisi. Tinignan ko lahat ng specs, pati battery, health, lahat brand new. Sobrang hassle pumunta ngayon sa mall. Dito na kayo sa Lazada. Took some time in packing and pickup. Good thing it still did arrive on schedule. Sabi naman ni Sheila, I have been looking for a stock of iPhone 12 Pro Max in different malls and authorized resellers, but to no avail. Then before, I was browsing in Lazada. Yes, dahil dito sa Lazada, marami available dito. Ito ang highlights ng item nito. Apple 6.7 Super Retina XDR display, ceramic shield front, textured matte glass back, and stainless steel design. Rated IP68, maximum depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes under IEC standard 60529. 5G ready, has the A14 Bionic chip with neutral engine, which is generations ahead of any other smartphone chip. Pro 12MP camera system, ultra wide and telephoto camera, 12MP true depth camera, LiDAR scanner for ultra fast and accurate augmented reality experience. HDR video recording with Dolby Vision and 4K video recording up to 60 FPS, up to 20 hours video playback, and up to 80 hours audio playback. iPhone 12 Pro, faster forward, 5 GB speed, A14 Bionic, the fastest chip in the smartphone, and a pro camera system that takes low light photography to the next level with an even bigger jump on iPhone 12 Pro Max. A design post right to the edge. The Super Retina XDR display goes edge to edge with ceramic shell which has 4 times better drop performance. Hello 5G, super fast speed, super low latency, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, more responsive gaming, and real-time interactivity. Super fast in downloading. The chip that was possible. ER at the speed of light. A new day of night mode, 87% and 5 times, 60 times more colors. Wow! So what are you waiting for, guys? Just click the link on the description box